Then there's the case. It's simply the housing or the shell that holds all your components securely. Then finally you have the fans. These are the climate control that keeps everything from melting down under heavy use. Now you know what you're buying, but don't rush to checkout. You must now decide your budget for each part. Let's say you have $1,000. If you blow all your money on a powerful graphics card, you won't have the funds left for a decent CPU to feed it data. You have to divide that total budget into strategic tiers.